Today we're building a banking app using Python, where users can deposit, withdraw, check balance, and track their transactions, all through a clean and interactive console experience. So without any wait, let's start the video. So first, this class represents a bank account and handles all core operations like deposit, withdrawal, and tracking transactions. When a new account is created, we store the user's name, set the balance to 0, and prepare an empty list to track all transactions. This method handles deposits. It checks if the amount is valid, updates the balance, records the transaction, and gives user feedback. This method manages withdrawals. It ensures the amount is valid and that the user has enough balance before updating and recording the transaction. A simple method to display the current account balance to the user. This method shows all past transactions. If there are none, it informs the user accordingly. This class handles the user interaction part of the program, including inputs, menu, and running the app. When the app starts, it greets the user, asks for their name, and creates a new bank account. This method displays a simple menu with all available banking options. This is the main loop of the app. It keeps running, shows the menu, takes user input, and performs actions based on the selected option. This is the starting point of the program. It creates the app and begins execution. Let's run the app and see it in action. Watch how you can deposit money, withdraw funds, check your balance, and view your transaction history in a clean and interactive console.